In this video, I'll guide you through how to get wire transfer details in CIBC. Whether you're sending money domestically or internationally, having the correct wire transfer information is crucial to ensure your transaction goes smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your CIBC online banking account. You can do this through your computer by visiting the CIBC website. Alternatively, if you prefer to use your smartphone, you can open the CIBC mobile banking app. Both platforms provide you with access to the same essential features, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Wire Transfer or Global Money Transfer section. This area is specifically designed for handling your banking and transfer needs. Here, you can review all the necessary details required for wire transfers, including account numbers and transfer limits. This section is your go-to place for managing and obtaining all your transfer information. If you're ever in doubt or need personalized assistance, visiting a local CIBC branch is always an option. The branch staff can help you with any questions you might have about sending or receiving a wire transfer. They can offer guidance and ensure that you have all the information required to complete your transaction accurately. For those of you who need to make international transfers, you should be aware of a few additional details. You will need your account number, transit number, and institution number. These numbers are essential for identifying your account and the branch where it's held. Additionally, for international transactions, the CIBC SWIFT or BIC code is required. This code helps to identify CIBC on the international stage, ensuring that your money reaches the right destination. If you need more detailed guidance or specific forms, CIBC provides resources online. You can find these on the official CIBC Wire Transfers page. This page offers a wealth of information, including forms you might need to fill out and further instructions on how to proceed with your wire transfer. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through how to get wire transfer details in CIBC. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your wire transfers with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you understand how to navigate your wire transfer needs with CIBC effectively.